Howdy, I'm Maude with Chord Instruments. The purpose of today's video is to provide a rough overview of Chord's technical capabilities as they pertain to optics design and optics manufacturing. The intended audience member is the industry player looking to implement, supplement, or even refine their product portfolio as it pertains to electro-optics. And the surrounding context here is, of course, the geopolitical situation that we face, the domestic tariffs policy that has impacted this industry in 2025 and I foresee into 2026. Now, it's no secret that much of the industry, in fact, the vast majority of it, operates on an extended supply line principle. Most of the design and manufacturing capacity rests within the borders of China, and the American Liaison Company focuses on things like brand building and product distribution. Obviously, nothing wrong with that business model at all. We're not here to dog that. In fact, quite the opposite. We're here to assist in that venture. The supply lines of this business model are being tested every single day, and it may pay to have some surety of supply, or rather some supplier redundancy, in case something were to happen. So without further ado, let's get into the technical detail. The first half of the video is going to be Chord's design and validation principles and protocols. The second half is our manufacturing capability, how the butter is churned here in Milford Center. Stand by for some mediocre renders and B-roll.
Optics design includes our ray optimization capabilities, mainly for zero parallax designs, magnified optics, even weapon light performance optimization. The know-how includes complete optical package design, especially magnified optics, prism packages, etc., and in-depth reverse engineering methods. We utilize internal use white papers and standards for consistency through a product family. This is particularly important if you're doing things like, say, programming your PCBs for brightness consistency, especially when it comes to passive night vision usage or very bright outdoor settings. We also possess non-sequential optics design capabilities for uses with things like anti-reflective toolpaths, as an example. Mechanics design includes optomechanical design capabilities for optimization of asymmetric lens assemblies, including things like implementing conventional design methods for unconventional applications, including retention plates, tangential contact interfaces, glue grooves, etc. Our finite element analysis capabilities are in parallel with our material selection for individual design optimizations. We have multiple use case, FEA-proven interface designs with various tolerance applications. And our GD&T optimization, according to on-hand manipulation mechanism testing capabilities, is in line with industry standards. Electronics are one of those things that are overlooked in this industry, unfortunately, and your optical system is only as good as the microelectronics that power it. We possess embedded electronics design and software capabilities specifically catered to electro-optics. We can leverage some of our in-house IP, including ORWIG, to give you an optical system with built-in electronic redundancy. And our circuit design effectively eliminates the refresh rate phenomenon seen on competitor products. This ties in neatly with our printed control board design that meets the design parameters and housing constraints. Some of our in-house R&D capabilities include test fixturing completely designed and manufactured in-house. This includes our miniature ISO 5 lav cabins, designed specifically for optics manufacturing, and the various test apparatuses, including the recoil vector testing, our drop testing, our thermal shock and submersion tests, etc. And all the assembly steps that you would expect out of an optics manufacturing house are also present in our Milford Center, Ohio facility. This includes a dedicated assembly room for our microelectronics, RC-LED, and manipulation mechanism installations, as well as our particulate-free clean room that houses our laminar flow cabinets, our collimation capability, as well as our argon purge station. Our design approach is to do everything, mechanics, optomechanics, electronics, software, ergos, by ourselves. We want to keep the know-how in our institution, especially as it pertains to sensitive defense technologies. And if you're a prospective industry party looking to partner with us for optics manufacturing, there's absolutely nothing wrong with reaching out to us on our contact form to schedule a capability tour. We'll show you these operations in-house, show you the assembly room and the clean room, as well as our validating protocols.
If you're looking to add optical systems to your product line, we can turnkey it, A to Z. This includes design, sourcing, prototyping, manufacturing, assembly, QC, even packaging. Now, if you don't own the technical drawings to your optical system, we can do a complete reverse engineer interior GD&T and recreate your optic as a step file for your ownership. And on top of that, we can also draft and provide an assembly SOP to industry best practices so you know how to assemble the optical system you're currently selling. This might be helpful if you want to do some competitive bidding or quoting with other manufacturing houses, let's say in Asia. That's the end of the Chord Capabilities Tour. Thanks so much for watching. Obviously not the fanciest sparkle tour there, but the math is there, and I think that's what counts. So if you'd like to learn more, reach out via the contact form. I'd be happy to have you over for a capability tour. Not a whole lot that goes on in Ohio. We got optics. We do have a Chili's, so come by for that. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you at the trade shows. Take care.